this video, we will learn how to transform simple, compound, and complex sentences. A short recap to help you understand better. A main clause is a group of words in a sentence which can stand by itself, making complete sense, whereas a subordinate clause is part of a sentence which is dependent on the main clause for its meanings, and they are of three types: subordinate noun clause, subordinate adverb clause, and subordinate adjective clause. A sentence which has only one clause, a single subject and predicate, expressing only one thought, is called a simple sentence. A compound sentence has at least two main clauses that have related ideas and can be joined by a coordinating conjunction. I have dealt with what is a simple compound complex sentence and how to identify a simple compound and complex sentence in a previous video, and you can have a look at that, which will help you to understand this one better. A complex sentence is a sentence that contains a main clause and at least one subordinate clause joined by subordinating conjunctions. Now, if a complex sentence begins with a subordinate clause, then a comma is used to separate the two clauses. Moving on to the first type of transformation, simple sentences transform to complex sentences. One of the things to do to transform a simple sentence into a complex one is to convert the present participle, the ing word, into since, as, or when, depending on the meaning in the sentence. Now, you have an example of a simple sentence: closing the door, I went back to school. Closing being the participle. Now try to change it into any of these words. When I closed the door, I went back to school. Okay, so you use when. We begin the complex sentence with the subordinate clause, and simple sentence changes to complex. Another sentence: after winning a beauty contest, she cried. Change this winning present participle into as she won the beauty contest, she cried. Okay. One more simple way is to convert the to and to into so that, and then when it converts from to into so that, the sentence changes to negative. One example: he is too weak to carry the box. Now both these to's change into so that, and the sentence becomes negative when you make it complex. He is so weak that he cannot carry the box. To and to changing to so and that, and an affirmative sentence changes into a negative sentence, and you can see because we have the word cannot. We can also convert a simple sentence to complex by converting to into so that. We eat to live. So now convert it into complex sentence so that you can have one main clause, one subordinate clause. We eat, main clause, so that we can live, subordinate clause, making the complex sentence. Moving on, without changes to if or in case. Without adding sugar, the dish will taste bad. Now, to turn it into complex sentence, we take a subordinate conjunction if. If you do not add sugar, the dish will taste bad. An adjective will be converted into that which in a complex sentence. Okay. It was a blue shirt. Now, blue is your adjective or describing word. Now we change it into a that or which clause. It was a shirt which was blue. So the blue word, descriptive word, is taken and made into a subordinate clause. In spite of or despite changes to though or although. In spite of being rich, she is hardworking, changes to though she is rich, she is hardworking. The next type of transformation, simple to compound sentences. This is very easy. You just have to add a coordinating conjunction. In my previous video, I explained to you what is a coordinating conjunction and gave you the simple acronym of fanboys, so you can easily identify the coordinating conjunctions. So now the old man being weak could not walk properly is a simple sentence. We change it to compound by adding a coordinating conjunction. The old man was weak and could not walk properly. Two main clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction and. Our teacher is popular among students for her diligence. Diligence meaning hard work. Our teacher is popular among students for she is diligent. So a very simple transformation of simple sentences to compound simply by adding a coordinating conjunction. The next type of transformation, compound sentence to complex. Now, the main difference between compound and complex is compound uses coordinating conjunction to link the clauses, whereas complex uses subordinating conjunctions to join a main and a subordinate clause. So, obviously, to transform from compound to complex, we have to take out the coordinating conjunction and use a suitable subordinating conjunction. Now, search his pocket and you will find the watch, and being coordinating conjunction. Now we are changing to complex. If you search his pocket, you will find the watch. This if is your subordinating conjunction. He ran fast, but he missed the bus. Changes to though he ran fast, he missed the bus. But being coordinating conjunction, though being a subordinating conjunction. Now, if I want to change now from complex to compound, I do the obvious thing, change the subordinating conjunction into a coordinating conjunction. Like he went to work as soon as he finished his meal. Okay. Now find a suitable coordinating conjunction. He finished his meal and went to work. Be careful not to change the meaning of the sentence. The meaning of the sentence remains the same. Although she is rich, she is not happy. So, she is rich, but she is not happy. Change to a compound sentence. The next transformation, compound to simple sentence. Okay. Now, to change from a compound sentence which has two or more main clauses into simple sentence, we just take all those clauses and make it into one. He got up and walked away. Got up is one main clause, walked away is another main clause. Now we have to reduce it only to one in a simple sentence. Getting up, he walked away. Okay. He is rich, yet he is not happy. Bringing it to a simple sentence, being rich, he is not happy. So you see, in both sentences we use the ing word to reduce the clauses and make them into one. Another transformation, complex sentences to simple. Here, simply it can be converted by changing noun, adjective and adverb clauses into a word or a phrase. Okay, so a noun clause, he admitted that he was guilty. It is a complex sentence. What did he admit? That he was guilty. So this is your subordinate noun clause. Now you take all these words and turn it into a one word or a phrase, not a clause. He admitted his guilt. Okay. Then an adjective clause, a describing clause. This is the place where the meeting will be held. Okay. So where the meeting will be held now in a simple sentence, this is the venue of the meeting. Okay. Or this is the meeting place. An adverb clause, when he saw the police, he ran away. So when he saw the police, now on seeing the police, he ran away. Okay, to change to simple sentence. We have a few connectors here.